In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add members to a team or group in ClickUp. So if you have just created a team or a group and you like to add members to this team, then it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to go to the group, and to access your group, just head over to your workspace name above here and then click on settings and go to teams here. Now under this, you'll be able to see your current teams or groups that you created. Now to add a member to this group, just hover over it and you can see we have add member option here. Go ahead and click on this, and here now you can proceed and search members by name or even email, and you'll see them below this list. Go ahead and click on any to add them. So that's how you can add members to group in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.